Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where you cannot see your TikTok likes. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So the likes on TikTok gives creator an instant boost to improve their content, and recently many users have reported that TikTok is not showing likes on their videos. So I've compiled a list of things to do to resolve this issue. So the very first thing which you need to check is your internet connection. So you might be facing the glitch of TikTok not showing your likes because of an unstable and unsteady internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable connection. Try switching from Wi-Fi to a mobile SIM or vice versa. And after doing that, go ahead and check if TikTok is showing your likes on the videos. Now the second step which you can take to resolve the issue where it's not showing your TikTok likes is by clearing cache on the TikTok app. So to do this, you want to open up your TikTok app. Next, you want to tap on Profile here, the bottom right. Now you want to tap on the three lines at the top right. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, you want to scroll down until you see Clear Cache. Go ahead and tap on it. So once you do that, it'll clear the cache for TikTok app only. After doing this, you know, go back to one of your videos and see if this has resolved the issue with showing likes or not. Now, the third step to resolve your issue where TikTok is not showing a like is by updating your app. So this is the most common reason why a user might face this temporary glitches on TikTok. It's because the TikTok app is not updated to the latest version. So app updates are important in order to enhance performance and fix bugs on the platform. So to do this, you want to go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for TikTok here and make sure it's updated to the latest version. As you can see, mine needs an update, so I'll go ahead and tap on it. And this will automatically update the app and install it for me. Now, after it has been updated, go ahead and open the app. Then go to one of your videos and check if you can see the likes or not. Now, if the third step hasn't resolved your issue, then move on to the next and the last step, which is to check your privacy settings on your account. Now, some users might have changed their account from a public account to a private account. When you're on a private account, no users on TikTok can see your videos or like your videos or comment your videos. So to check if your account is public or private, tap on the three lines here at the top right. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, you want to tap on Privacy. And here you want to make sure Private Account is not enabled. If Private Account is enabled, go ahead and disable it so your videos will become public. As it reads here, with a private account, only users who you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. So anyone random on TikTok cannot watch your videos or like your videos. So those were the steps to fix the issue where you cannot see your TikTok likes. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.